Welcome student. Let's start our discussion. Here we will discuss the third approach, which is knowledge-based approach. Knowledge-based approach is under the stage of active development, particularly during the last decade. This particular approach is became quite affected and quite useful in industry. Many industrial applications used this knowledge-based approach. In this approach, we have expert control. Here, we placed the expert or the operator in the loop through set in qualitative guideline, set in qualitative rules about the system. In this approach, we also have the fuzzy control, the neural network, which are playing an important role. In this particular course, we are primarily concerned about the model-based control. So, it means the approach will be for a physical system, which is our plant. We are going to derive a mathematical model first from this plant. As mathematical model may be derived using physical laws of physics or using experimentation. If we are able to capture the dynamic of the system in a set of differential equations which can later be transformed into a convenient model like a transfer function or a state variable model. If this is not possible, alternatively, we conduct an experiment on the system, get the input-output information. This input-output information is captured into a suitable differential equation or a transfer function model. This field referred to as system identification in the literature. Again, let mention in this course, we will be primarily concerned with the modeling using physical laws. Now coming to the model-based control algorithm, I will mention that during the 1940 to 1960 era, during this period, the frequency domain design method were developed. Some of the techniques developed in this period are the Nyquist stability method, the Bode plot method, the root locus method. In the literature, these frequency domain design method are referred to classical method of design. If these methods are classical, well, there should be some method which are so-called modern. The requirement of space vehicle control while launching, while tracking the state space method came into existence 1960 onwards. This led to theory which based on state space technique. The design based on this is called modern control design, and this particular domain of design has been referred to as modern control method. In industry, in industrial application, effectively 75% of industrial application today are being handled using the classical method of design. Thank you, student. Here I have completed the introductory part of linear control system.